Raymond Bautista Bong Revilla Jr., born Jose Mari Mortel Bautista, September 25, 1966, is a Filipino actor, director, producer, television presenter, and politician who served as a senator from 2004 to 2016 and again from 2019 to 2025. The son of actor-politician Raymond Revilla Sr., he himself became an action star in the 1980s and 1990s as Raymond Bong Revilla Jr., starring in the Alias Pogi film series as the titular policeman Henry Cruz. He started his political career in Cavite, serving as vice governor and later governor. He was the chairman of the Videogram Regulatory Board, now the Optical Media Board, from 2002 to 2004. Revilla was first elected to the Senate in 2004. He successfully ran for a second term and topped the senatorial race in 2010. His alleged involvement in the pork barrel scam led the Sandigan Bayan to issue an arrest warrant against him and other co-accused on June 20, 2014. Within hours, Revilla surrendered before the anti-graft court. Bong Revilla was acquitted of plunder and released on December 7, 2018, but was required to return to the government Philippine peso 124.5 million or 2.53 million United States dollars in civil liability. He stood accused of 16 counts of graft for his alleged role in the transfer of Philippine peso 517 million or 10.5 million United States dollars of his discretionary funds to bogus foundations until all cases were dismissed by Sandigan Bayan on 2021. However, he has yet to return the required amount he was asked to give back before his acquittal. Bong Revilla was born as Jose Mari Mortel Bautista Jr. to actor Jose Acuna Bautista Sr., known professionally as Raymond Revilla and Azucena Mortel. He has over 70 siblings, with his father once claiming that the number is probably above 80. His 6 siblings are Marlon, Rowena, Rebecca, Strike, Andrea, and Diane, and among his half-siblings are Evelyn and Ramgan Jose. In 1977, Bong Revilla finished his elementary education at Jesus Good Shepherd School in Palico 2, Imas, Cavite. He finished his secondary education at Fairfax High School in Los Angeles, California, United States. In 1982, Raymond Revilla encouraged Bong Revilla to be a doctor, but the younger Revilla committed to pursuing his acting career. After the 2013 elections, he was allegedly involved in the Priority Development Assistance Fund scam, along with Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile and Senator Jinggoy Estrada, contributing to entrepreneur Janet Limit Napple's bogus foundations. the Commission on Audit in its 2-year investigation released on August 16, 2013, reported on the questionable release of the Priority Development Assistance Fund by 12 senators, including Revilla and 180 representatives of Congress. A month later, the National Bureau of Investigation filed plunder cases against Revilla, Enrile, and Estrada. On January 20, 2014, in his privileged speech to the Senate, he criticized the Aquino administration, revealing that he was talked to by the president along with then Transportation and Communications Secretary Maraxas and Budget Secretary Florencio Butch Abad to convince him to convict the Chief Justice, Renato Corona. The Office of the Ombudsman, on April 1, 2014, found probable cause to indict Revilla, Enrile, Estrada, and Naples with plunder, and filed plunder charges before the Sandigan-Bayan on June 6, 2014. On June 9, 2014, Revilla delivered a second privileged speech entitled Salama Kaibigan, as charges were filed against him in the Sandigan-Bayan. On June 20th, the Sandigan-Bayan issued a warrant of arrest against Revilla and more than 30 others. Revilla proceeded to the Sandigan-Bayan to surrender, and he chose to be detained at the PNP Custodial Center at Camp Crame, Quezon City. The Sandigan-Bayan suspended Revilla from public office and his senior aide Richard Cam on August 4, 2014 for 90 days. Revilla's bank accounts were frozen in 2015 as a consequence of the alleged involvement in the scam. His trial for plunder was rescheduled several times due to various motions filed by Revilla. The trial finally began on June 22, 2017. Guzman in 1999 later married Patrick Joseph Santos, who also legally adopted Luigi. Revilla's relationship with Guzman rekindled after he lost his daughter with Mercatha, named Maria Alexandra, who died just 26 days after birth due to a heart condition resulted by the use of contraceptives. Mercatha chose to stay with him due to her love for him and their children. Revilla is the fourth of the 7 children of actor and former Philippine Senator Raymond Revilla Sr. and Azucena Mortel Bautista. He is the younger brother of Marlon Bautista, a former nominee of One Pacman Party list, and the older brother of incumbent Bacoor Mayor Strike Revilla and former Antipolo Mayor Andrea Bautista Inares, who is married to former Rizal Governor Casimiro Jun Inares III. He also has at least 30 to paternal half-siblings, including actor Ram Revilla, who was murdered in 2011. The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, which was formed to investigate corruption in infrastructure projects in the Philippines, recommended the filing of charges against Bong Revilla and the investigation of Senators Chiz Escudero Grace Poe and Mark Villar and former Senator Nancy Binay. In his sworn testimony, Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo accused Revilla of getting 25% in commissions from publicly funded flood control projects. Personal life: Raymond Bong Bautista Bong Revilla Jr. married Lonnie Mercatho, an actress and incumbent representative of the 2nd District of Cavite that comprises only Bacoor, in a civil wedding in 1986. They have 7 children. In 2024, Revilla confirmed fathering illegitimate children, but never revealed their names nor their mothers. It was previously confirmed that Revilla had an affair with Lovely Guzman, a non-showbiz personality whom he had dated before marrying Mercatho, and together they have one son named Luigi. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.